Ebibigambiro Bishop w'obureberezi obwa Western College Johnson Twino Mujuni obwabire nateeka habeje mikono kandi ari kushabira beje aba senior ya kana hamwe na senior ya mukaaga abariyo nibaza kutandika ebigezo byabo ebya muheru ebya UNEB.
Research shows that there are students who are smart, but they end up failing because of fear. There's fear. You fear, sometimes you don't know what you are fearing. And when fear escalates, what becomes worry and intimidation, and then you are disoriented. So let me tell you, when you enter the examination room, stay calm. Be composed, be composed.
Bishop Johnson Twino Mujuni hagarukire yahamiza beje ngo nibaza kwika ngukonka ora batatungire maxi ezabire nateka kutunga atehwa masiko.
But you must. You must. If it so happens that you don't perform as you expected, you will not lose hope. You will not give up. You will not think of yourself negatively.
That means when you're second to none, is there a position above you? No. That means you are the first. There is no position above you. I want you to say in your hearts, like I said when I was sitting there, that let it be. Let it be.
Mori Musinguzi ori mukuru w'ishomero Eliabwera Nyange Girls Secondary School ashoborire bimwe aha bintu ebikiri ebizibu omwishomero ebari kwetaga.
As a school, we have challenges, and one of the biggest challenges is coordination with nurses and dormitories. But we are hopeful when this dormitory is put up, it will be coordination.
Bishop Johnson hagarukire yayihanangiriza abana babishiki obutafera busha abazire babo ahamwe na no kwehara omuze ogwo bushambane. Abeji habariyo nibetebekanisa okukora ebigezo byabo abutugambireho nabo basimire Bishop Johnson ahabo kubaherezayo ahari ruhanga niko okutuhamiza uko bari kwija gukora kurungi.
Benerizo twina amashanyarazi mwinzi kukonga Bishop Witwa Western College shakataya najumebaza yatuhamaskonje basakuka kandi yatuhanimigisha nyinzi kandi nitutumanya bunito tushumire kare tutire magi tubona kandi rizaba Bishop yatutayira yayizire tutwayo kama kuja mutoka kukore kujezo yatuhamiza kutuza kukasinya exam yetu tuza gukora n'abasinya ko batahiri yatuhamiza kutuza kukebigezo kandi yatushabira
Amakoraga gasha kwa Olivia na Sasera ahabwa Sky TV omuri Bushenyi.